Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you how to add table of contents in Microsoft Word. So, table of contents are helpful for the large documents with up to 10 to 20 to 100 to 500 pages or so. So, here we are in MS Word, and as you can see here, there's a document which is over 800 pages long. It's a sample document. So, we will add table of contents in this document. So the first step, click in click on the document and go on insert tab and add a blank page. As you can see here, the blank page has been added. Well, I will just go to the references tab to add table of contents. Click on this references tab, and there you as you can see the first option is table of contents. I will click on it. And there are a lot of options here: automatic table 2, automatic table 1, and manual table. I will just click on automatic table 1 as it is easier and it will be automated. I will just click on it and the Word will automatically create the table of contents with you. It will take some time according to the length of your document, so please be patient. And as you can see here, the table of contents has been added with the page numbers. So there you go. You have successfully learned how to add table of contents in MS Word. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment on the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel.